The Sun Diary. Today is 19 July 2026. Today I plan to go to the Polytechnic University of Hong Kong. I decided to walk to the Kwai Hing MTR station rather than the 31M bus. When I arrived the university, I saw the library that is closed, and then I turned on my iPhone to search the exact opening and closing time. The definition is, or the answer is, that today is the closing time. And that moment, I felt that I should go to the toilet. After I went to the toilet, I decided to go to the City University of Hong Kong because its library is open. So I go to CityU from Hong Kong Station to Kowloon Station. I have gone to the library in the City University of Hong Kong barely, but I absolutely know the location. When I enter this library, I found the suitable chair to do something like searching for the IELTS practice. Searching for the Hong Kong DSE examination, just like that. Around 6 p.m. I left the university. I went home from Kowloon Station to Kwai Hing Station rather than Kwai Fong Station. The reason why I chose the Kwai Hing Station is that the NTR when the train is near. When the train ran nearly the Quaifong station, I opened the bus application to foresee when the 31M bus open. The answer is that the bus just left. So I chose to walk to my home from Quai Hing Station. I think the time period is okay because the original choice, I must wait for around 10 minutes. When I choose Quai Hing Station, I can catch the time because around 20 minutes is enough for me to go home.